Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. This video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 2 Fraction and Decimals Exercise 2E question number 7. So friends, this question is change each of the following recurring decimals to a vulgar fraction, right? So first of all, we know what is a recurring decimal. It is a decimal in which the decimal digits repeat, right? So we have studied which signs are put on top of the decimals, right? You can see here at some digits you can see the bars are made. These basically represent that digit is being repeated, right? So this we already know. Now what is a vulgar fraction? A fraction whose denominator is not 10 or power of 10 is a vulgar fraction. Now 10 or power of 10 means 10, 100 or 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, crore, like this, right? So basically any fraction without the denominator 1 and 0 in them, right? Suppose it's 100, right? So 2 zeros and 1. So like this, there should not be 1 and 0 only in the denominator, right? So it cannot be any power of 10. That is basically that. Any other denominator is fine. Any other whole number in the denominator is fine, not any other number, right? So first we have 0.4 and in this 4 is recurring. So what does this mean? This means that 4 is repeating, right? So converting this into vulgar fraction is a bit long process, but once you know, it's very easy. First what we have to do is, you can write here that let x be, right? So let x be. In this case what we do is, you can see that 4 is repeating, right? So what we do is 0.4 and repeat it as many times as you want, 2, 3, 4, up to you. Okay, I'll go 3 times, right? So 3 here. And now very important thing is you put these dots, right? These indicate that further on also this is repeating, it is not ending here, right? So putting these dotted lines are very important. Now let x be 0.444444 and so on, 444, right? Now we will say, you can see 10x is equal to, why 10x? See, first we do is, you can see after the decimal 1 place is there which is repeating, right? So the number of digits which is being repeated, that many zeros are put with 1 and that forms our x, 10x, like here. See how 1 digit is repeating here, so we put 1 0 with 1, so we get 10 and we add x to that, so 10x is equal to, right? This we write, and it's very important to write this as well. And what we do is simply we multiply this x by 10. So we already know how to do the multiplication by 10 or power of 10, that is we move the decimal, shift the decimal to the right, right? So you can see to right it will go here, since 1 0 is there, so here it will come, right? So we will get 4.44 and so on, right? So this we will get. Now you can see that here I have got x, 10x. Now what we do is subtract x from 10x, right? So here we will write 10x minus x, subtract x from 10x, and that is equal to, same will happen on this side as well. So we will subtract x from this 10x. So value of 10x is this 4.444 and x was 0.444. So simply we will subtract it, right? So you write here minus 0.44 dot, right? So keep on putting these dotted lines, it's very important because they indicate that our digit is repeating or not. Now we will subtract them. Now what are we going to get? See, one more thing, you can see that here x had 3 decimal places, right? And here I have taken only 2 decimal places. So this is to make our division easy. It is not necessary, it is necessary you have to take 2 places here, right? But it is not necessary. If that you have written 3 places here, then put 2 places here only. You can put 2, it's okay, right? And now we will do subtraction. So here we will have 4.00, all right? And here we will have 9x. So there is no need to write this 0.00, just simply write it 4, right? So 4 and 9x over here. And once you have subtracted, this dotted lines will also be removed and 10x minus x is 9x, right? We already know this. Now we have got an equation, solve this, so we will get x is equal to 4 upon 9, right? So 9 will be taken here, so it will divide here, and we don't have to solve this, it's the solution we have got, and this is only our vulgar fraction. You can write the answer as 4 upon 9, right? This is our answer, that the vulgar fraction of 0.4 is 4 upon 9. Let's move on to the next part now. Now we move on to the next part. The second part says 0.25, and this is recurring. 2 and 5, these are repeating, or you can say recurring, whatever, right? Now again we will see here that let x be, and we will convert, basically increase the number of 0.25, right? So 0.25, sorry, 22, it's 25, right? So 25, 25, right? And 25. I'll again do it 3 times only, and dotted lines, right? These are important. Now next step will be, you can see here we will write it like this, 1, right? 1, and since 2 digits are being repeated, we will put 2 zeros after 1, right? So we will get here 100x, right? X we have to put after putting the zeros, so 100x is equal to, and here we will multiply this x value, that is 0.252525 so on, by 100, right? No, by 100x or whatever, right? So basically 2 zeros are here, so our decimal point will move 2 places here. So we will get here 25.25, sorry, it's 25, right? So 25.2525 and so on, right? Now dotted lines as well, right? Now we will subtract what from this? X. In any case here, if we always subtract x, not 1x, 10x, 9x, nothing like that, right? So minus x, and here minus 0.2525 and so on, right? So we will subtract them, right? So what are we going to get here? Here we will have 25, okay, and here we will have 100x minus x is 99x, right? So 99x here, so 99x is equal to 25. Now we can solve this. X is equal to 25 upon 99, right? And we also have to see that if we can simplify this fraction or not. It's we have to simplify this, right? If it is simplified, can we simplify this? No, we cannot simplify this, right? So our answer becomes 25 upon 99, right? And it is a vulgar fraction because the denominator is not 10 or any power of 10, right? Now let's move on to the next part. Now moving on, third part, right? This one is 0.585 and bar on this entire 585. So 585 is repeating, right? Now we will write this as let x be, and we have here 58, sorry, don't write 585 first, we will write 0, right? So we write it like this, 0.585585 dot 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 dot, right, so on, right? And now we will write it here, 3 digits are repeating, so 1000x is equal to, and you can see that we will move 3 places to the right, so 1 2 3, so we'll have 585 point, and then this, right, entire thing 585 and dot 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 dot, right? So we'll subtract x from 100x, sorry, 1000x, and here also we will subtract x, so that is 0.585 and so on, right? So what are we going to get here? We'll get here 999 x is equal to 585, right? So x is equal to 585 upon 999, right? And this becomes our answer. You can write it in that fractional form, 585 upon 999, right? So this is our answer, 585 upon 999. Let's move on to the next part. And now we move on to the fourth part, right? What does this say? 5.2, and there's a bar on 2, right? So we write firstly, let x be 5.222, so on, right? And next step, 1 and 1 digit is being repeated, so 10, so 10x is equal to, and you can see over here 52.222, sorry, you can write it like this or it's up to you, right? So 52.22222 and so on, right? Now we will subtract this thing. So what do we have here? Minus x is equal to minus 5.222, so on, right? So what are we going to get? Let's see. 9x is equal to, here 52 minus 5 will be 47, right? So 47 and 0.222 same. So we get here 9x is equal to 47 and x is equal to 47 upon 9. Can we simplify this any further? No, right? So this becomes our answer, that is 47 upon 9. All right, now let's move on to the next part. Now next one is our fifth part, right? And this is 2.31 and 31 is repeating. So let x be 2.313131 and so on, right? And now we'll write it here. So 1 and 2 digits are being repeated, so 20, so 100x is equal to 231.3131 and so on, right? So minus x and here minus 2.3131 and so on, right? Now we will solve this. So 100x minus x will be 99x is equal to 229. So x is equal to 229 upon 99, right? This cannot be simplified any further, so you can write your answer as this, 229 upon 99, right? Let us move on to the next part now. Let's move on to the next part. This is 23.43 and there's a bar on 43. This is the sixth part, right? So we can write this as let x be, right? So 23.4343, so this we can write it as, now 1 and 2 digits are being repeated, so 100x is equal to, and here 2 decimal will shift 2 places to the right, so we will have here 2343, right, 0.43 and so on. So minus x here, this is equal to minus 23 point and 4343, right? So you can just write 43 once, it will have no effect and so on. And this we can subtract, right? So 100x minus x is 99x is equal to, and here 2343 minus 23, so 3 minus 3 is 0 and 4 minus 1 is 2, so 2320 and rest will be 0, right? So x is equal to 2320 upon 99, right? So our answer becomes 2320 upon 99. All right, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.